Good afternoon traders, Mitch here from Dynamic Futures Trading. I just wanted to get a quick video out on one of the trades we had this morning. Really nice trade on the DAX, and we saw a crack of a breakout actually on the DAX. And the DAX is a great market when it gets going. It's definitely a scary market for beginners. It's definitely got a bit of a wild personality. It goes up and down all over the place very quickly. But if you can get a decent system that pulls some money out of the market, the DAX can be a fantastic market to trade if you have a little bit more money, I would say, than the average beginner, and can take a little bit of risk on the heat. You're not going to take a 3-tick stop on the DAX. It's impossible, right? Well, not impossible, nothing's impossible, but it's going to be very unlikely you can make money doing that. If you can, great, but you know, with the DAX we need a little bit wider stop, much bigger targets, and we can make some great money. So let's jump over the screen, guys. First off is don't forget to check out the website and the blogs. Website www.df1trading.com, the blog over there at www.dynamicfuturestrading.com. So go check those out. There's plenty of information there. Now today let's check out the trade we had. We had a breakout trade on the DAX, and we had this level in here as a level we're looking to find a breakout. We had a stop limit in just below that, and we ended up short just in here. As you can see, there's our marker at 95.33, and that was our short trade. So we took a short in there, and we took our target, as you can see, down in this, where our buy marker is there. Let's get rid of that. Where our buy marker is down there, and that gives us a total of 46.5 points, or 93 ticks, which is 1,162.50 euros and 1,615 bucks in US dollars. So a fantastic trade. About a 4-to-1, 3-to-1, 4-to-1 risk on that trade. So a great risk to reward. Now we were looking for more, and the reason I have this other chart over on the other side is we were looking to try to see if we could find this prior day's level down here. We were looking for 94.43 at the prior low that we had the day before, and you can see we ticked up. We had this big divergence at the top. Now on our other charts we saw a divergence which also made this signal fire off even better. We really liked that even more because of the divergence, and that shot down very quickly. We had Janet Yellen speaking at the time, and that shot off out of the gates basically from the time she started speaking, and we're able to get ourselves out around about here. We were looking for a little bit more, but we had our target, we had our stop loss, so we trailed all the way down to 86.5 at the time, and we were able to lock that in. So we use the longer time frames to try to pinpoint areas where it's good to take targets. We have our designated target regions based on our strategies, based on our testing and everything else, but we're always about profit maximization. You know, we'll try to jam that stop in as quickly as we can to where our normal target would be. So for example, our normal target was, if I draw it here on the charts, our normal target was here, right? And you can see this candle, this candle just here, belted right through it, right through that. And as soon as we saw this candle get through, we moved our stop to here, moved our stop to here, and then we had our stop right where we would have taken target anyway. So from that point, we were going to take the profit we were meant to take for the day, and we're just seeing if it was going to keep going and try to get to that next profit level. So what we try to do is, every occasion we can do this, this is how you can better your results by miles, right? If you can do this effectively, there's a ton more money available in these trades, because basically once you get to that point, you're in a free trade. Not only a free trade as far as you're going to make money, so you're going to be better than zero, but you've made the money you should have made based on your testing and based on your particular levels that you're going to take targets, and then we're just seeing if we can get more out of it. Now probably I would say 6 times out of 10 you won't. 6 times out of 10 it'll come back like it did just here, and we'll hit our target, and no harm done. We take exactly the profit we should have. But those other 4 times, out of 10 that it does continue on and we get some more selling, that will pay you an extra $500, $600, $700, $1,000, and that adds up, makes a big difference at the end of the month. You know, we're not looking for strategies that have a 100% win rate. If you're looking for that, you're not going to find it with us. We have strategies that make excellent money, that have very good win to loss ratios. Instead of looking, risk to reward, I should say, instead of looking at 80% win rate to 100% win rate. We don't really care about win rate. It doesn't mean anything. You can have 100%, you can have a 95% win rate and lose a ton of cash, which probably a lot of people do. So the win rate is really not that important. What is important, in my opinion, is the risk to reward and making sure that you have a favorable reward to the risk you take. And by doing that, and by using profit maximization techniques such as what we're doing here, we're able to really make the most out of our trading days. So great trade here on the DAX. Nice little breakout using stop limits. Easy trade. We do the same thing day in, day out, and we don't get them right all the time. With this strategy, about 45-50% of the time we get it right. But when we do get it right, there's a lot of cash involved. There's some big runners that we can get hold of, and this is just one example. And this is a normal type of profit on the DAX. This is a pretty average, normal sort of day that will take a profit on the DAX, and this is about 3 to 4 to 1. So we've got basically 3 to 4 parts gain for 1 part risk here. All right, so hope you like the video, guys. Hope you like these sort of profits. If you do, make sure you get in contact with us on the blog or on the website, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye for now.